Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you 3 recipes with mango. We're going to start with a mango and matcha powder smoothie. That one's going to be pretty simple. I will be showing you 2 variations of the recipe. One of them is going to be a layer version and the other one is going to be with everything blended. Flavors are going to be the same, you just decide which one do you want to try. We're going to move on to a mango and passion fruit mojito. Now, we're not going to be using rum in this version, but in the recipe I'm going to be showing you the way with rum if you want to try that way. And we're going to finish with a mango, dark chocolate and red chili pepper smoothie. We're not going to be using the whole chili pepper, it's just going to be a little bit to add a kick to the smoothie and to balance the mango and the dark chocolate. All the recipes are going to be in the description down below, so let's get into it.
We're gonna start by setting up the matcha tea first. Grab 1 teaspoon of matcha powder and 2 teaspoons of hot water around 175 degrees. Combine them until we get a smooth paste. Then we add half a cup of milk and whisk it. Now we gotta take care of the mangoes, so we're gonna need to peel them and dice them before we can put them on the blender. The best way for you to cut the mango is to actually start by cutting the sides and then working your way into the core. Place the mango in a blender, add honey and blend until smooth. Add a splash of water if you think that it's too thick. We only want a puree consistency in here. Now to assemble the drink, we're going to put the mango puree at the bottom, we're going to add the crushed ice and then we're going to add the milk and the matcha. For the mango and passion fruit mojito, we're gonna peel and dice the mango. We're gonna get the juice from the limes. And in this case, I had to use frozen passion fruit juice. I couldn't find fresh passion fruit, so I combined 1 cup of the pulp of the passion fruit and 3 cups of water. Now we combine the mango, passion fruit juice, and the sugar into a blender and blend until smooth. Double check how sweet it is. If you need to add more sugar, you can add it at this point. To assemble the drink, we're gonna add some crushed ice to the glass, add the juice, and we finish with sparkling water. Our last smoothie for today is gonna be the mango, dark chocolate, and red chili. We're gonna start by peeling and cutting the mango. We're gonna cut the chili in half, remove the seeds and dice. Remember to not touch your face after you cut it, otherwise the oil can get into your eyes. To get the dark chocolate shavings, I recommend you to use a peeler instead of a knife. Knives are way too dangerous when it comes to chocolate and you can end up cutting yourself. We're gonna get all the ingredients in a blender, blend until smooth, and we garnish it with some chocolate shavings to finish.
Alright everybody, that's it for today. Couple of things that we gotta mention before we leave. When it comes to the first one, you can substitute the chili peppers for chili powder. You can substitute the chocolate for cocoa powder. Start with a small amount, quarter of a teaspoon, and then work your way up depending on the flavor. You don't want to add too much and then overpower the flavor of the mango. On the second one, I forgot to show you how to muddle the mint, which is the act of extracting the natural oils of the plant. On the third one, the only thing that you can change is the presentation, if you want it in layers or if you want everything blended. Aside from that, nothing is going to change too much in the way that you do it. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite and which other fruits do you want me to work in the future. If you learned something new, please remember to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.